Star fruit, otherwise known as carambola, is a type of fruit native to Southeast Asia. It can also be found in the Caribbean, for example, Jamaica, the US, parts of Brazil, and Micronesia. It is called star fruit because when you cut it horizontally, it resembles a star. There are mainly two types of star fruits, the larger sweeter variety and the small sour type. Oddly enough, the more acidic variety can be used to clean certain utensils as it aids in removing rust. Culinary uses. In Jamaica, the fruit is eaten as is or used to make juice. It's nice when blended with ginger. However, in other parts of the world, it is used in jams, cooked like a vegetable, stewed with sugar and other fruits, used in relishes, as garnish, and even pickled. It's always interesting to learn how other cultures use their fruits and vegetables. What are the health benefits of star fruit? Star fruit has a low calorie content. It's a good source of potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, and it is high in vitamin C and fiber. There's also some amount of iron and zinc found in the fruit. According to this article, this fruit is known to have high antioxidant property that efficiently scavenge free radicals as well as help in these treatments. It also aids the immune system in protecting us against diseases like cancer. In China, India, and Brazil, it is used in traditional medicine to treat diarrhea, gastroenteritis, cough, ringworm, and other skin infections, headaches, and fever. In addition, results from research done by Cabrini et al. Shows that the leaves of the starfruit plant have anti-ulcer properties. So there are many wonderful benefits of star fruit. But unfortunately, there are some health risks in consuming this juicy fruit because it contains caramboxin, a neurotoxin, and a high amount of a substance called oxalate. It can prove harmful to individuals who suffer from kidney failure, kidney stones, or any renal problems. The symptoms that these patients may exhibit on consumption includes mental confusion, loss or disturbance of consciousness, hiccups, and vomiting. Therefore, if you suffer from any renal problems, you may unfortunately need to stay away from star fruit. Okay, thank you very much for watching, my sunshines. Remember, if you're my tribe, then subscribe. You know what to do. Hit that button and turn it blue. See you next time.